Hey everybody, it's Jenny. Jenny's Country Life YouTube channel. I'm at Birdsong Drive-In in Camden, Tennessee. Got my gear on. John Schneider is doing a free concert here. And the opener is singing right now, and he's really good, but I don't know his name.
On your love all the time, honey, I stay strong on your love all the time. Alright, hey, just shooting from the hip up here. I don't know, they didn't tell me how much time I have, but I'm not going to take too much more of y'all's. Who's stoked to be here tonight to see, my gosh, you guys, this is like really awesome. This is like royalty. I feel like this is country music royalty. Twitty and Lynn, like, come on, you guys. It's just like, I don't know, some of you might have been here for sound check, but it's just like to hear the spirit of that music reassembled is just so touching and awesome. And then, of course, you know, my God, John Schneider, like, seriously, guys, I've been kind of keeping my cool all afternoon, but I've been fanboying out. It's pretty awesome. It's, like, really cool. I was a huge fan of the show, and to kind of just get to shake hands with the guy and share the stage with him, it's going to be a nice feather in my cap, if you will. Maybe I'll play you guys a couple more and then we'll move on with the show. But thank you guys again. My name is Tony Luca from Nashville, Tennessee. It is a real honor to be here to play for you guys. So thanks for listening. Woo! Sorry, it was bothering me. Well, I used to be the one that you run straight to. Now you never come around. Holding hands, making plans, just me and you. Now you never come around. Yeah, you do. Got me out of my mind. It's high time I find something that might help you understand. If you come back to me, I'll help you see. No, there ain't gonna be a better man. Well, you used to call me crazy when I sang off key, and now you never come around. Nothing quite as sweet as you right next to me. Now you never come around. Yeah, you drew a line. Guessing you need some time. Still I'm out of my line. Now it's high time I find something that might help you understand. If you come back to me, I'll help you see. No, there ain't gonna be a better man. Yeah, won't come back. Oh, nah, 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 yeah. Oh. Got your mom on the phone asking if we made up. She says you never come around. So she's had enough, that makes the two of us. Man, did you come down? Now it's high time I find something that might help you understand.